Hey, I'm Carl Chapman from Wi-Fi Gear and welcome to the unboxing video for the LigoWave 590 AC. So, what's in the box? Okay, so as usual you got the quick start guide. This does have some basic diagrams for typical networks as well as your login details to get onto the unit. You have the 590 itself. This is all bubble wrapped for added protection. We also have in the box part of the mounting arm, more bits for the mounting arm, and I'll show you how they go on in a bit. The Jubilee clip and also the grommet, the period adapter, and of course a UK mains lead. It's worth noting, we supply this with a UK mains lead. Let me just move that box out of the way for you. UK mains lead, however, if you require a EU mains lead, they can be supplied on demand. Just simply put in the comments when ordering online, or if you get in touch with your account manager, they'll be able to arrange the swap around for you. So let's have a little look at the physical attributes. One of the things you will notice, it's a bit longer and more cylinder than the 515 or 520 ACs. That's because it's got an integrated 90-degree set-down antenna. Reasonably light, to be fair, weighs 460 grams, so it's not much heavier than the 520, to be fair. So I'm just having a little look here. So yeah, the side unit has the LED indicators for the power, network connectivity, and also your signal strength. You've got your normal serial MAC on the rear. You've got the Ethernet and also for power port at the bottom, which works with the grommet to ensure it's got the IP66 rating. Now, you'll notice the molding with this and also this, which is part of the innovative mounting, which slides on. If you just bear with me, it's a little bit tricky for the first time you've ever done it. There we go. There we see. But once it's on, rock solid. That works in combination with this arm, which allows you to easily adjust the pitch, and you use the Jubilee clip to fix through it when mounting to a pole. You also notice, as with other units, a integrated surge earth right there, which you just need to earth in. Period adapter, same size as used on the 520 and 515 AC units, and yeah, standard plug. So that's the physical attributes. Technology wise, so this is an 802.11ac or Wi-Fi 5 unit. It boasts speeds of over 500 megabits per second. That's achieved with the added proprietary technology iPoll 3. iPoll 3 is on all the DLB range. The range, because this is a set to 90-degree antenna, it will allow you to connect up to other units within 5 kilometers. It's also worth noting this is a 18 dBi antenna. Management, so management is done with the LigoOS. It's the same platform which you use to manage any of the DLB series, the 515, 20 and also the 90. If you've not had a chance, or if you're interested in how to set one of these up in a P2P or point to multipoint mode, have a little look. We have uploaded some configuration videos showing that. Warranty, so LigoWave has a 3-year warranty as standard on all their equipment. It's worth noting though, these are very reliable and dependable units, so I doubt you have any problems within the lifetime of the product. We also operate a RMA process which you can access via the wifigear.co.uk or via your account manager. Worth noting, just to finish up, is typical use cases. So I might want to use one of these as a base station, and I might want to connect to multiple 515s or even 520s. So I have a point to multi-point network. That might be in a CCTV deployment or in a caravan park or building to building. So typically I may place this at the head office, and then if I want to connect to 3 or 4 other cameras, I can easily do so using this as my 90-degree sector, and then bring back with the 520 and 515s. If you have any more questions, however, on typical use cases, then do send an email into sales@wifigear.co.uk. Otherwise, that's the 590 AC. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye for now.